Here's a quick tip on drawing a consistent round edge on your project. So right here I have a wine caddy and I don't like the look of it. It just looks flat and pretty boring. So I want to create a quick round edge that I can use to cut the material. Check it out. Just find anything round in your shop. So in this case I'm going to use my tape. Now you're just going to line up the edge of where you want to draw your line on both sides and make your mark. As you see right here, it's a very consistent line now that I can easily cut out and add some depth to that project. And take it from this to this.